All right, if you work with Dynamics, you're gonna really love this. I built a command launcher. It's called D365 SwiftPad, and it works just like Spotlight or Raycast on a Mac. But this is Dynamics 365 and it's Windows, so don't worry. So let me show you what it does. So this is Dynamics, and then you just press Ctrl+Shift+P. Boom. And you have this command launcher. This is basically a fork of Level Up, this Chrome extension, really cool Chrome extension. So it has all the commands that you would expect. So if I go, let's say, to a record and then Ctrl+Shift+P and then do logical names, it'll just do logical names. If I do clear logical names, I will do clear logical names, and it has some really cool tricks too. So if you do Ctrl+Shift+P and then open and then search for contact, you see a list of all the entities just popped up, and you can open up just the contact list. So if you have a ton of entities and maybe not all in this same app that you're using, this will come really in handy. And one really good thing about this is not only you can enter GUID here, but you can also search by the primary field. So for contact, let's say I have a contact named Hey, there is Josh, and I can just press enter and it'll open up in a new tab. How cool is that? And so you have all fields, just all the stuff that you would expect from this from Level Up. And you have impersonation, and I've added this run fetch XML where you can just enter your fetch XML, press Control Enter, and it will run. It'll show all the records here. So be sure to check that out. Now, to get that, you have to go to GitHub at the moment. I'll post a link down below, but if you don't see it, just go to lsuchadolnik/D365 SwiftPad, and there at the bottom or here at the side, you have this version 1 release, and just download this zip file. You will download it, then go to Chrome/extensions, and you will have to enable this developer mode. Then click on Load Unpacked, and you will see, then just go to where you unpacked your zip. And then this thing should appear, and you should be able to get going fast. So I'm really excited about this. Let me know what you think, and let me know what commands are missing, or if you find any bugs. You can open up pull requests on GitHub. So I don't know, hope to hear from you soon. Thank you so much. Bye.